I came to this ecosystem workshop because I felt that we say a lot of things about what needs to be done. So I wanted to do something and not just talk about it. And I feel that it's a very small step, but it's like my 20 cents is my contribution to this planet. I learned that you had to be willing to give, not just receive, and sometimes that feels great. Not just expecting to get something, but actually giving something back to Earth. So yeah, it was a great experience. It feels like there's hope. It feels like I said that you start with one tree, and then it becomes 1 hectare or 6 hectares, and sometimes before you realize it could be like a small village. And who knows, maybe we can get the jungle back and get some of those animals that are in danger. Maybe some birds will come back. I think what you guys are doing is amazing. To come to a foreign land and to say, I'm gonna plant trees. Grateful for this opportunity, and I'm thankful that I was treated as a member of a family, and I will definitely come back.